out on the what they call the near the Bioria actually, and you know, it's a really hot day actually. But this area here is you know, just this little part is called the, you know, it's called the Bocage, which is you know, very similar to the, well, it is the same word as the French use for this kind of countryside. Lots of little fields and road, you know, lanes between them, you know. But yeah, this is the Bocage, and it's you know, and it's quite. They seem to have quite a lot of wildlife here. I've seen some of these birds, but not well. I think I've seen all of them probably. But yeah, it's very good for wildlife. But yeah, so I'm going to go out. I'm going to go out on this lane here, this one here, and then I'll be heading into the Bioria again. I like it here, lovely place. But yeah, but the on the way here, I seem to find an awful lot of water, but which is, as you can see, it's the bike is pretty plastered in mud and such like this. But yeah, I don't really understand why there's so much water there, but anyway, it's yeah, I'll have to wash it when I get home, I suppose. Never mind. But yeah, lovely day, and looking forward to the rest of the ride, I think. And you know, make the best of the day. Fantastic, beautiful.